Hi guys, in this video I thought I'd show you how I get some candid / point of view walking shots with the DJI Osmo Action 5 camera. So the long and short of it is I use the Peak Design point of view kit with the kind of clip mount that goes onto the bottom of the Action 5 and put it onto a bag strap that sits there. So I thought I'd show you kind of an example because I think it's quite a nifty shot, and I'll insert a couple of clips here and there to show you. So like I've got a couple of shots about New York when I was on holiday. So the bag I'm using is this Peak Design camera bag. Now this point of view clip doesn't have to be used with the Peak Design bag. I actually didn't have this bag when I used it on holiday. I had a Tom Bin bag, so it kind of works as long as you've got a kind of smallish shoulder on it. So the what you can see here is it's basically a mount that clips onto the shoulder strap here, and then I've then put on the DJI camera clip here so that it's quick access for the camera, so I can put it on and off and not have to remove this off the shoulder. Now this does have a button that you could slide it off, but I just found it's easier to just take the camera off and put it in the bag and fly it away, so I just left this on the whole trip. Now I'll put the bag on and I'll quickly show you the process. So when you put it on like this, it's relatively subtle, I would say. Like no one's really going to stand out. And then what you can do is kind of put the camera clip or the camera in the camera clip like that. Now obviously maybe straighten out and all this kind of stuff, and then you can just kind of go here and hit record, and it's relatively subtle. I would say the only thing that's a downside of the Action 5 is the red highlighting on it. I think it makes it stand out a bit more than a GoPro does, but you can change the settings so the screen doesn't come on and the back screen doesn't come on, so it is relatively candid to kind of walk about with it, i.e. not that I'm trying to take sneaky shots, I just don't want everyone looking at me recording. Like I'm not trying to do anything dodgy, but so I ended up getting quite a lot of cool shots with this when I was on holiday. So like I was in Ruby Rose's pizza place, so kind of cool shot walking into the restaurant. Peak Design, kind of walking up to the door, kind of getting things like that. And to me this is just simple, like just you put it there, you'll hit record, the screens won't come on, and if you want to take it off you can just go like that. So then put it in your pocket, or you can just quickly kind of go like this. There you go, that's it on record. And you know in the DJI it's got the quick start, so away you go. It's really good. If you put on rock steady, yeah, I think it comes out really great quality. I think I'd recommend it for some point of view shots. So for anyone who's looking to do like kind of probably more B-roll, I'd probably recommend this for. Like if you're just like walking shots down the place, or want to do something where you've got like a mic clipped on. Yeah, so I thought this was quite a cool wee setup. I think it's like, if I stand a bit like this, I think it's relatively subtle. As subtle as you're going to get, obviously. And I think it's maybe not as obvious as a chest mount. So for me, I use this, like I say, hopefully I'll dub some clips over this video. I used it on holiday and got some good B-roll shots. I also just got some cool like shots about like New York City, Philadelphia, stuff like that. So yeah, let me know what you think. It's fairly straightforward. So like I say, I just kind of go like that and put it in my pocket. And to be honest with you, you don't really feel it through the shoulder strap. Once or twice maybe I have, but I think only maybe, bear in mind I use this every day for 2 weeks in America. I only got a look maybe once off someone with it, so I would say it's relatively discreet as well. So just a wee food for thought to use this. And then for example, say you're using, I'm recording this in a Osmo Pocket 3, so you can kind of maybe have two cameras going as well, or it means you can use this as your B-roll. So yeah, thought it was worth a wee video, so let me know what you think. So that was a Peak Design POV camera clip that goes onto the bag strap, and then I've just got, you know, effectively one of those wee things you click the camera into, and then put it on, like I say, like that, and there you go. And then just take it off, boom.